Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hands. This is stainless steel drink dispensers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's height, it is about like a 21 inches tall. And the depth includes faucets at the front. It total about like 18.5 inches. And the width about like 6 and 3/4 inches wide. So the units complete the handling about like 5 gallons entirely, and they do have one stainless steel handlebars at the front, and they also have one holders at the bottom too. So when we open this cap, we can find they have containers inside. The dimensions will be 6.5 inches wide and 12 and 1/4 inches deep, and the length about like 16 inches. And also we have the faucets at the front coming with some manufacturers, and they have two functions to holding the water so it comes out. One is standard one, and the other one is push one way. And also looking the behind of the units, we can see they do have the ETL sanitation stickers on it and the products names, and marked for 5 gallons containers. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.